Hi guys, welcome to Katelyn's Cooking. Today we're going to be making homemade potato fries. The ingredients are really simple, so here they are. You'll need peeled and chopped potatoes, ground pepper, and salt. Now that your oil is ready, you can dip the potatoes inside. But do it carefully because the oil is really hot. You don't want to burn your fingers. You're going to want big amounts of potatoes going on, so it can go fast. It's not going inside. No. I'm going to put a lot more. Like, oh my gosh, they're boiling on the thing. Make sure you put big amounts, like I said, because you want it to make, like, you want it to be fast, right? So, I have to put big, humongous amounts. Not sure. Maybe I'll add a few more until I weigh it because it looks very much piled. You can give them a little mix. It's bubbling really. So if it's bubbling, it means it's really hot. So you have to be careful. Because if you toss in the potatoes like that, then, well, you could get yourself hurt with the hot, boiling, bubbling oil. So, we're gonna wait a little bit because it's gonna take a few minutes. What I'm gonna do is, since I didn't put everything in, I'm gonna put it half like parts kind of, except I'm not separating the parts. So I just put some inside at first, and then once that's ready and you take that out, I'm gonna put a little more, and then take that out, and then do it again until everything is ready. I love eating French fries, but I would rather get homemade French fries because they're really healthy, and homemade French fries is really easy. All you need to do is fry your potatoes, got some pepper and some salt to season them, and that's pretty much all. So it's really, really, really easy. Yeah. Now that, so we put more potatoes, and oh no, one of them broke. That's okay. Now I'm gonna take them out. So you want to use a big spoon that has holes inside. Inside the thing, like as you see, the spoon has holes inside it. So you want to use something like that because you don't want to have the oil too. And we put papers on a tissue so the tissue can soak up all that oil that's on our fries. Just a few more to go. I got one. It's hard to get the small ones. This. I have to take them one by one. salt and pepper. Oh, I want to tell you something. So my friend and me, we made this saying. It's called salt and pepper go together. I thought it was an appropriate time to say it because we're using salt and pepper. Duh. So you take a little bit of salt and sprinkle it around the place. So there's no like specific amount of salt you need, but just make sure you like the amount you have, okay? Now we're gonna take the pepper. Don't put too much. You know, you're gonna sneeze or you might be like too spicy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper in that place. That should be enough. Don't want too much. Now, bon appetit. If you want, you can shake it a little bit. These are so good. And they're not hot. So good. Oh, and as I was saying, I would rather get homemade potato fries than from like fast food restaurants, because homemade things are better than like from fast food or stores, because like at the restaurants they make it really fast, like it's just not healthy. So okay, so make sure you like and subscribe, and bye. See you in the next video.